so many logos. We just think we already have a couple of thousand logos in different styles.
Not only logos and letterings.
Letterings for book covers, for everything you can check in our maybe site. It's really so much. And not only Cyrillic. We just, here you can see Cyrillic project, but we also works with Latin scripts, like, yeah, different style of logo, just like this. It's for our stickers, VikaVita. Okay, and also some calligraphy projects. It's for exhibitions, different exhibitions. It's Cyrillic, but we also create so many stuff like that.
Label design.
Label designs, our favorite. We like so much make something for wine.
Yeah, this is for California.
Californian
winery.
wine. Yeah, it's also calligraphy. Just make everything.
Yeah, calligraphy without illustration. It's also. And this one also it's old project, but we love this. Yeah,
it's for beer, but we also create this illustration and lettering. Yeah, it's like just different kinds of our project. And we also create sometimes a custom type. For example, this from left side, you can see it's called French Spring. It's for French Institute in Ukraine. It was, yeah, it's custom type for French Institute.
Yes.
This is also custom type for Kyivstar. It's a famous Ukrainian phone mobile company. Yeah. Okay, next.
That's the next one. Yeah,
Topic: Єдність, unity. A little about